Hi, I'm Haruko from Tokyo, and it's my first time to make dumpling by myself, and it was really fun. And I feel like a chef or yeah, and it was really good. And I really want to have a dumpling party at Tokyo when I go back. Yeah, it was interesting. I didn't know the big fortune was made by rice, and it was quite new to me. And, and the river was beautiful.
How about you feel your dumpling is, you think it's very delicious or?
Yeah, it's very delicious.
How much for the score? How many scores you give for yourself?
But still 7 to 10.
7 to 10. Yeah, but for me, from my side, I think it's almost 9.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I need more practice.
Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.